Crafters, this is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and here's my diamond press, and here's my diamond press, I think they're called lace border dies, and had just gotten these, they just came out for the last HSN craft show in February. So I was playing with them. They're really chunky, very big, and I love them. As I love my diamond press because it's so easy and so convenient. And anyway, so I just show you what I made out of it and what I've done with it. So I'll show you each one of them cut and done up. So this one is like a little rose, and I will show you how I do it. Very, very simple. So I'm just going to take a piece of white, put your diamond press or any other die that fits in this small frame. So I think it's 2 inches or less than 2 inches. So even though the mouth opening is larger than that, if you see one of my videos that I was complaining about that, I hear that they're coming out with a new version that the opening will be larger so that you can use larger dies that you already have in your stash that don't fit into this small frame, and this is 2 inches. So if you cut 2-inch strips, and if they don't fit whatever dies that you have other than diamond press, because all diamond press will fit in here, other than diamond press, if it's larger than 2 inches, don't bother. But anyway, so if you don't know anything about diamond press, I will show you how it works. And this is just a handheld. It's wonderful, very convenient, very light. And I have the original and I have this one. It comes with all of your orders will come with a couple extra of these I don't know, what do you call them? Plastic things. Anyway, this. I've had this since I've had my original one. And so this is probably 4 years old or 5 years old. I don't know. And I use it a lot. So yeah, I don't go through a lot of them. I hoard them. I've bought extras, and you can do that certainly and not use them up as much as I do, but this was the new one that came. It came with 2. This is the new one, and I just used it with you know what I was doing with this particular project. And you see, after the first time it's going to buckle like that. It's fine, it doesn't matter. Just twist them back, twist them forward, do each side, it doesn't matter. And they will last you forever. Anyway, so let's get back to doing. So you cut your paper 2 inches, put your die, whichever die it is, in here. Make sure it's straight and make sure it's within the boundaries of that 2-inch. Stick it in your diamond press. Blah, blah, blah. 5 seconds later, there it is. Can't be easier. I couldn't love it more. I love my Gemini and all my electric die cutters, but this by far is the easiest. I do also have a Spellbinders, and it's the same size. This is identical, by the way, to Anna Griffin Mini manual. It's the same thing. This is the Spellbinders version. Hers is gold and beige, so that's the only difference. The difference with this is that it has these plates similar to what you would use in your electric die cutter machine, and they last a lot longer. They don't warp or anything like that. I've had this for about the same amount of time, 5 years or better. So you just use what you got, use what you like. This one is a little bit larger. I got it because it was a little bit larger, 2 3/4. So it'll do dies that I can't always do in this one. So there you go. But look how pretty that is. Took 5 seconds to do, and it's fabulous. Love it. So this is these are 2 of the dies, and I will show you the rest in projects that I've done without delay. So this happens to be some of my paper from Craft Factory Creations, as well as some of the die cuts in that. But here I use the border dies in this. So cute. This one is also another one of the ones I just did. Oops, upside down. Just love them. You can use them for anything. I just use the scraps on this to make a little background there. Just layer up things. Use your scraps. If it doesn't fit all the way, if your pages aren't long enough, if your scraps aren't long enough, it doesn't matter. Stick them inside. And then this one is the same as what I just cut in white. So there you go. This is the Diamond Press lace border dies. I'll put the link down below if they still have them available on HSN. Check it out, and I hope you're crafting. Go craft. Bye-bye.